Welcome to Chart Forecaster. I'm Kyle, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at Rocket Lab, which is trending on Stock Twits. We'll also be breaking down this Chart Forecaster software and what it's saying to really watch out for, because there's 3 points in time on the horizon that you need to know about, and why I think that Rocket Lab is coming to the end of a rally, just as this article by William Gavin suggests that Rocket Lab stock could cool off after a blistering 263% rally. Now, if you're not familiar with what Rocket Lab is, basically it's a space company that launches services in space systems, and it's trying to build the next gen rocket called Neutron. Now, the main catalyst is Morgan Stanley, really, for this rally, upgrading Rocket Lab to overweight and raising its price target to big institutional validation energy. This upgrade specifically points to 2026 tailwinds in the space industry, like more launches and maturing markets and things like that. Really, these upgrades create instant headlines when you start talking about space and rockets. You just look at Elon Musk and SpaceX, for example. Stocks move fast. So this is kind of one of those companies that has done tremendously well over the last year. I mean, look at this. It's really, really gone off quite nicely. But my opinions on the charts is that we're seeing some Elliott wave theory here. We're seeing a rising wedge, although this is a very shallow time frame rising wedge, meaning it's not even a month long. So, it might be just over a month long. So I don't think that we're going to see any serious, significant retracements to this thing as it's been cooking like nobody's business. Chartforecaster.com has basically been tracking Rocket Lab, and you can see that it makes these forward predictions on the charts. Like, it's saying that on Tuesday's open, we could see a reversal happen on next Thursday, January 22nd. It's saying that we could be seeing bullish or bearish momentum start building. And then on January 26th, volatility spikes. But you can see how accurate Chart Forecaster is. Basically predicted down to the T. A breakout would start. Boom. Breakout started, and we caught this very bottom candle here, which is the bottom, and it said this would be the momentum peak area. The price took off again, and Chart Forecaster somewhat predicted a reversal. The area, as far as I'm concerned, was right in this spot, and again predicted that nice reversal. And you can see how well this software works. Volatility spikes, boom. Market peak area, boom. So we're looking at Tuesday at the market open, because this is happening. Chart Forecaster is warning us that tomorrow, which is technically the date, markets will be closed tomorrow and Monday. So I'm expecting this thing to maybe drop a little bit come Tuesday morning, and then bearish and bullish momentum starting in on Thursday. So we're going to really take, I'm going to really wait until probably the end of January to revise or go back to Rocket Lab to see if there's any favorable positions possibly that I might want to enter. Price action, in my opinion, is just too far from this Ichimoku cloud as well. So it needs to come back in. It needs to come back in and touch base with this 50 moving average at least, and then maybe bounce to higher levels, hopefully. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, the bell, guys, because that's important that you're notified when I drop videos, because I'm giving you time-sensitive, date-sensitive points to look out for. See you guys on the next video.